Welcome to TechWise. Today, we dive into the astonishing world of heavy machinery, where cutting-edge technology transforms immense power into precision and efficiency. From machines capable of excavating colossal tunnels to groundbreaking 3D printed homes, the innovations we explore here redefine what's possible on job sites and beyond. Let's get started. The Komatsu MC51. Imagine a machine that carves tunnels with the precision of a surgeon. The Komatsu MC51 continuous hardwood miner is exactly that. Equipped with a robotic cutter, this marvel efficiently breaks down rock into small pieces, excavating tunnels as large as 16.4 by 16.4 feet. It runs on an advanced electrical system, eliminating emissions while automating the crushing process. Thanks to its precision-driven technology, the MC51 ensures cutting accuracy within a mere 2.16 inches, allowing operators to control it safely from a distance. This innovation doesn't just enhance productivity, it's a game-changer for job site safety. Caterpillar CAT 994. Towering above its peers, the Caterpillar CAT 994 is one of the largest front loaders in the world. Designed to partner with dump trucks carrying up to 250 tons, this 239-ton behemoth is powered by the mighty CAT 3516E diesel engine, generating 1,847 horsepower. But size isn't its only standout feature. Caterpillar's engineers have optimized operational efficiency with innovations like long-lasting LED lighting and air filters that triple engine life while extending oil change intervals by 500 hours. This loader epitomizes reliability and efficiency on a massive scale. Liebherr LB44. In the world of foundation drilling, the Liebherr LB44 is in a league of its own. Despite its enormous size, this machine boasts unmatched mobility and is surprisingly easy to transport. Featuring innovative bat rotary drives, it offers unparalleled efficiency and versatility, supporting various drilling methods like dry drilling with the Kelly boom and continuous auger techniques. Rouse's experimental salt picker. From the world's largest salt mining company comes a machine unlike any other. Rouse's experimental salt picker, designed to gently extract salt layers while preserving delicate ecosystems, this unit operates effectively at depths of up to 1.6 feet. Its dual-engine propulsion system ensures a high payload capacity, significantly reducing transportation time and cost. This machine is an environmental marvel. The P&H40-100 AC drive shovel. In the mining industry, the P&H40-100 AC drive mining shovel is a cornerstone of productivity. These colossal machines, equipped with cutting-edge AC drive technology, excel in efficiency, reducing wear and energy consumption. They're not just tools, they're integral to sustainable mining operations, embodying innovation and reliability in challenging conditions. Caterpillar 995F. Whether it's mining, demolition, or site reclamation, the Caterpillar 995F does it all. This robust machine delivers shorter cycle times, greater digging force, and improved fuel economy. Ensuring consistent performance across diverse tasks. With attachments like hammers and rock buckets, it offers unparalleled versatility, making it a top choice for maximizing return on investment. KAG Transport Systems. Steel mills and smelters operate in environments where temperatures soar to 1,300 degrees Celsius, and KAG Transport Systems rise to the challenge. Engineered to endure intense heat and abrasive materials, these machines are the backbone of metallurgical operations, showcasing unmatched resilience and efficiency.
In these rigorous conditions, KAG Transport Systems shine, engineered specifically to endure.
3D printing meets construction. The future of construction is here, and it's 3D printed. Camp C has successfully printed Europe's first two-story residential house using the continent's largest concrete printer. This 90 square meter marble highlights the potential of 3D printing in reducing material waste, energy consumption, and CO2 emissions. It's a glimpse into a more sustainable future for construction. Volvo's L200H high-lift log loader. Volvo continues to lead in heavy machinery with its state-of-the-art L200H high-lift log loader. Featuring a 12.2-ton capacity, a larger grapple, and advanced LED lighting, this machine ensures safety and efficiency in log yard operations. Its collision avoidance system and robust design make it a must-have for wood handling professionals. The amphibious dredger. Cleantech Infra's amphibious dredger isn't just a machine, it's a marvel. Capable of navigating swamps and open canals, it operates where traditional excavators falter. With a 22-foot reach, 360 degrees rotation, and stabilizing wheels, it's the perfect solution for versatile and efficient dredging operations. Trail King's advanced semi-trailer. When transporting heavy loads, Trail King's semi-trailer is a standout choice. Its expandable sections and advanced steering capabilities allow for unparalleled maneuverability, even in congested urban environments. This trailer is a testament to innovation in transportation solutions. The future of heavy machinery. From machines that print homes to loaders built for extreme conditions, the advancements in heavy machinery are as inspiring as they are functional. These innovations not only enhance productivity, but also prioritize safety, sustainability, and efficiency. As technology continues to evolve, the possibilities for heavy machinery are endless. Which machine amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and stay tuned for more incredible videos on TechWise.